BCH, we start with monthly charges. I want to give a quick update. And as we mentioned in my last analysis, based on higher time frame, we mentioned we are looking to see the breakout of this zone, which is we are looking to see the breakout of the 678 following by 860. Because we mentioned with the breakout of this zone, at least with the breakout of the 678, we can look for continuation on all-time high. Anyway, if you want to look for trade, we have to look for trade based on lower time frame. And right now we're looking at this one. How deep this one can be and how long the price can consolidate here before we see the continuation. Anyway, if we want to look for trade, we refer to daily chart and lower time frame. And based on daily chart, we're looking at this one as a three waves. How deep this one can go with the breakout of the 347, we can expect even the price drop to 302 before we see this one, this move, which is the reversal. That's mean if we want to look for buy from here, we should know how deep this one can go. That's why if you want to look for buy, we have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we shouldn't take the trade. But if we get any opportunity for buy from here based on daily chart, the targets that we can look for based on daily chart, if you get any opportunity for buy, the first one I'm looking for is 630 following by 630 as the first one following by 752. This is the two targets I'm looking for if I get any opportunity based on daily chart. This is based on daily chart because the based on monthly and the weekly we discuss about the different resistance, but this is the target based on daily chart. Anyway, if we don't see any trade setup based on daily chart, and even if we move to lower time frame based on forward chart, the only thing is whether we can consider this one the price retest or tag the previous low, or we have to refer to this divergence. This is where we should be. I mean, the different traders, they have a different opinion. But for me, if the price retest this low, followed by divergence, will be the best. But at this point, we cannot refer to the divergence. Okay, then we can expect this one continue or even retest this low. But if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. But we don't need to wait for the price to retest this low because we cannot refer to the indicators. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. But from what I can see, we don't see any trade setup. We can expect this one, the price continue and drop as a corrective before we see the reversal, but at this point I don't see any trade setup. And if I move the lower time frame, if we move to forward sorry, 1 hour chart, if we put this one relative to what we have here, we see we have a divergence. Right now I'm looking at this one. We want to see whether we get any opportunity for buy from here or not. And if anyone wants to look for having entry above the top, this is where they can put the entry above. All right, and what we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first 2 hours, we should take out the trade. And we should know that if the price reverses a corrective move, we shouldn't keep the trade. And even if we want to keep the trade, we should move our stop loss to break even, because from what we can see there based on forward chart, if the price couldn't reverse it from here or it is reversed as a corrective move, we can expect for the next drop. Anyway, it depends on the strategy the traders are using. If you get any, we're looking for buy, but based on daily chart, we mentioned how deep this correction can be, and if you get any opportunity for buy from based on daily chart, what's the targets we can look for. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.